Our next question is about CSX. This is a railway operator. Shares have struggled over the past year. Is now a good time to buy the railroad? I don't know. When we're in a trade war,
I know.
do you want to own a railroad that is primarily based on trade between nations?
So I've got a little bit of a hot take about this, and yes, I would. Do you remember the Baltimore Bridge that collapsed when a ship ran into it last year?
Yes, yeah.
So the Port of Baltimore shut down. CSX is a regional railroad, primarily on the eastern coast and eastern side of the U.S. They were absolutely impacted by the shutdown of the port. There was a financial impact there. They had to make some adjustments to their business, and I think that's partially why you saw their shares struggle last year. So you fast forward to now, port's back open. They've made some adjustments to increase their flexibility. And I think that speaks well for their business. They aren't making any more railroads. They're not making more railroad tracks. So you've got a pretty wide moat to begin with. And rather than perhaps the US is importing goods from a port, perhaps they are trying to move to exporting those goods from their port. And either way that you slice it, you have to move those goods from manufacturing facilities to the port. And one of the most economical ways to do so is rail. So I think you kind of buy through the fear on this.